One of the things you will not sometimes suspect when you finish fixing car AC and maybe like 2 weeks or 7 days later, the customer came back to the garage. You are certain you did everything right, but just one little oversight became the challenge that may take just a little bit of money. So here, everything seems to be very intact because I literally changed the whole seal on this very car. But when they complain that AC stopped working, I know it's definitely gonna be leak, and this is the leak. You can see the oil right there, a lot of oil pool somewhere around here. So this is what the problem is. I'm going to address this one, then we test and wait. So don't ignore the most little things when you are dealing with car AC, because it's gonna create a setback. It's gonna set you off